Justin Bieber's Love Yourself took the world by storm, becoming the biggest hit of 2016. This acoustic ballad, co-written by Ed Sheeran, sounds sweet but packs a nasty punch. The song's clever lyrics tell off an ex-lover in the most polite way possible, with Bieber's smooth vocals delivering the message perfectly. Love Yourself marked a turning point in Bieber's career, solidifying his comeback and proving his versatility as an artist. The track's simplicity and relatability resonated with listeners worldwide, making it a cultural phenomenon. Despite its massive success, the song also hinted at Bieber's growing discomfort with fame, setting the stage for his future hiatus. Love Yourself remains a masterclass in subtle shade and pop craftsmanship, cementing Bieber's place as one of the biggest stars of his generation.